Ok, hoy vamos a hablar de poner el vocabulario en contexto. We are going to actually put the vocabulary in context, okay? So we did activity 1 yesterday, and where you needed to restate activity 1, ¿qué necesito? When I say restate, what do I mean? Anyone? Restate. Restate the question by using some of the words from the question, correct. So right here you said the question is ¿qué necesito, right? What do I need? So you use some of these words. In this case will be only one word, necesito, yeah? So you say necesito, and then you grab one of these items right here, and then you explain the reason what you need it for, right? Necesito el jabón y la toalla. How do you say because? ¿Por qué? Necesito jabón y la toalla porque tengo que bañarme. You change the SE right here, if you're referring to yourself, to a me. Necesito jabón y toalla porque tengo que bañarme, because I have to shower, right? So that's one of the reasons why we can't do that. And that's one of the reasons why we use the RBAFED, okay? Now, I didn't ask you to do, for example, well, that will be next, right? So today, the activities are from activity 2, from page, activity 2-3 from page 116. And what you got to do here is simple, right? Just recognize each part of the body. So let's first of all, let's repeat it together. Diente.
Diente.
Mano.
Mano.
Dedo.
Dedo.
Dedos.
Dedos.
Mano.
Mano.
Diente.
Diente.
Mano.
Mano.
Dedo.
Dedo.
Dedos.
Dedos.
Codo.
Codo.
Diente.
Diente.
Dedo.
Dedos.
Dedos. Muy bien. Codo.
Codo.
Ok, un poquito más rápido. Codo.
Codo.
Diente.
Diente.
Dedo.
Dedo.
Dedos.
Dedos.
Mano.
Mano.
Dedo.
Dedo.
Dedos.
Dedos.
Codo.
Codo.
Diente.
Diente.
Dientes.
Dientes.
Diente.
Diente.
Dientes.
Dientes. Codo. Manos. No. Dedo. Dedos. Codo. Dientes. Dientes.
Muy bien. También tenemos shoulders, right? That's hombro,
Hombro.
hombro,
Hombro.
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 Pie, pie,
Pie.
pie. Hombro,
Hombro. Codo. Codo. Dedos.
muy bien. 5 puntos for everyone that participated, okay? You guys all at one. So all you gotta do here is pretty much, oh, we forgot about this. This is el cuello. Now, don't forget that LL, the double L, doesn't sound la in Spanish. And you see 2 double L's, it sounds ya, cuello. Okay, so now here what I would like you guys to do in activity 3 is normal. Is this normal? Okay, there's some logical sentences and illogical sentences. Okay, so you're going to say something like this. Okay, finally Diego is puts on his deodorant. Diego se pone el desodorante y se baña. Por fin Diego se pone el desodorante y se baña. ¿No es lógica? Por fin Diego se pone el desodorante y se pone la ropa. Okay. So you have to identify if it's logic or illogic. ¿Es lógica o no es ilógica? O no es lógica? But you're going to explain the reason why. Okay, so for example, right here. Frecuentemente Diego se entrena y luego se ducha. Entrena is trains. Y luego se ducha. and then he showers. Is that logical to you? Train first and then shower?
Yeah.
Yes. So you will say, frecuentemente Diego se entrena y luego se ducha porque es lógico, because it's logic. Okay, so you're just gonna add por qué. That's it. Porque es lógico. Okay, that's what you guys are gonna identify if this, all of these ones here are logical or not logical. Okay, that's it. I'm not gonna ask you to do the for example just yet. Okay, so that is what you have to do for that activity. Now, tell me here. Let's put these activities in order, okay? Me cepillo los dientes. Repeat and do with me. Cepillo los dientes. Me cepillo los dientes. Me despierto. Me despierto. Me cepillo los dientes. Me levanto. Me despierto. Me levanto. Me despierto. Me cepillo los dientes. Muy bien. Me ducho. Me ducho. Me ducho. Muy bien. Me acuesto. Me cepillo los dientes. Muy bien. Me acuesto. Me seco el pelo. Me seco el pelo. Okay, now tell me, which ones do you do first? Primero. Primero, say with me. Primero. Segundo. Tercero. Primero. Segundo. Tercero. What's primero? Segundo. Tercero. Okay, so, ¿cuál de estas actividades es primero? Which one of these activities is first? Okay, you sure?
It's for morning tonight. Would you sleep in the morning?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you.
Me despierto. Segundo? Ajá, me levanto. Tercero? Me cepillo los dientes, muy bien. Cuarto? Me ducho, ok. Quinto? Me seco el pelo. And sexto? Me acuesto. You guys go to sleep right after that, all that, right? No, you go
First thing in the morning, go back to sleep.
go back to sleep. Oh, I love that. All right, so you guys have to get it, right? The main thing here is that we are going to be doing things, most of these actions, you do it to yourself. They're reflexive, okay? Reflexive, what do you think about reflexive? Reflexive means when you hear the word reflexive, it reflects, right? Most of the time, you're gonna do it to yourself. All of these, unless you are a queen, a princess, or and you have servants to do it for you. You're gonna comb your own hair. You're gonna brush your own teeth. You're gonna bathe your own self, right? So that's why they call reflexive verbs. All reflexive verbs need a mirror. A mirror meaning a pronoun in front or attached to the second verb. So how can you determine how you can recognize them? By arse. All of them have arse or irse at the end. Oh, you see that ducharse, bañarse, pintarse. It's gonna need a mirror. It's gonna need a reflexive pronoun in front. And those are usually me, te, me for I, to me, te for you. Or se for él, ella, and usted, and including ellos as well. All right, so we're gonna watch a little video about the telehistoria, and then we're gonna go back and I'll tell you exactly what you guys are gonna do after finish tell historia. Let's listen to what these people from Argentina, I don't know if you have noticed, but their accent in Argentina is a little different, okay? It's like singing. They are like, like Italians speak Spanish, they speak English, Argentina is to speak Spanish. Watch the video.
¿Por qué llegamos tan temprano? No sabemos a qué hora sale Tobal de la casa normalmente. Necesitamos estar aquí temprano para conocerlo.
¿Quién encendió la luz? Tal vez está en casa.
Che, ¿qué le vamos a decir a Tobal? Le decimos que queremos hacer una película sobre él.
Sí, queremos saber qué hace generalmente, cuál es su rutina.
Le vamos a preguntar qué piensa hacer mañana. ¿Podemos venir a filmarlo?
Va a tener prisa. Va a decir que no.
Tengo sueño.
Podés dormir más tarde.
¿A quién buscan? A Rafael Tobal. Señor Tobal.
Okay, encontraron a Tobal. They finally found Tobal, right? Okay, so you go back here to page 117, and that's where you have the script. So I'm gonna let you guys read that script before you guys do the next activity. The next activity is in page 118, and all you gotta do is based on the script, based on the little video, you gotta find out who did what. ¿Quién means who. ¿Quiénes means whom, more than one, right? ¿Quieres saber qué piensa hacer Tobal mañana? Wants to know what Tobal is doing tomorrow. No le gusta salir tan temprano. Doesn't like to get out that early. Tiene sueño. He or she is asleep. Vio una luz en la casa. Saw a light in house. Quiere hacerle preguntas a Tobal. Wants to ask questions to Tobal. And dice que Tobal no va a hablar con ellos. He says that he's not going to speak to her. Tobal is not going to speak to them. So you got to just determine who does these actions. And that is a simple one based on that script. That is from page 117 and 118. Just a nota gramatical, es decir, when the verb pensar is followed by the infinitive, it means that to plan or to plan on. Pienso acostarme. I believe I plan on laying down. That's what it means, okay? Temprano esta noche. I plan to go or going to bed early tonight. ¿Piensa usted visitar el museo? Are you planning to visit the museum? So the verb piensa, pensar, which is to think, and then it's followed by another infinitive, is are you planning to or planning to do something? That's what it translates, okay? Now, here is the beef of the day. Notice there is 8 different things, and I want you guys to think critically. In other words, you guys are going to make this up. You guys have to guess the plans of this guy, Tobal, okay? I need to put myself right here. Where do I put it? Right here. So, here, Tobal piensa comer, right? Tengo el pelo sucio. The first one is Tobal piensa comer. Tengo mucha hambre. That's what he's saying, right? That's what he's thinking. Tengo mucha hambre. So, Tobal piensa comer. Tobal thinks or is planning to eat. Remember the verb pensar with another infinitive means it's planning to do something. So what you're going to do here is you're going to say, first one is tengo el pelo sucio. My hair is dirty, right? So how would you say, I am planning to wash my hair?
me dice 40.